Well, for this weekend, I don't think I would have time to, actually do more of those AP free response practices, because I've been scheduling to do a lot of things, and also like I have this paper to write for my school, and I think this will be like tough. So I don't think like I'll have time tomorrow, like Sunday. I've completed the 2009's computer science thing today, and then I figured like I really just don't have time because there's so many things going on. I'm just gonna record this like progress or something here to just say that like I'll catch up later, but this weekend I really need to complete my humanities paper, so things will be a bit slow. And also, not to mention, I figured that computer science and economics, both of them really just have this kind of system of, they have same kind of questions every year. They have the same kind of theme or like a prompt. So, for instance, like question 4 will always be like maybe there's only like two parts of it, A and B, and it's all about like a large class, and usually there's like multiple classes and you have to use methods in both classes, and you have to use loops, and the first one is usually harder than the second one, and the second one usually involves you actually implementing the first one that you wrote into use. So this is like a quick summary. And also, well, oh right, you don't want to forget about the percentage mark thing, like the remainder mark. That is very important. You could really save a ton of code, which I was really bothered by some question from 2009. I think it was the second question. When you use like a when you use that percentage mark, or like that sign or like that method, you can really just save a ton of for loops, and you cannot actually achieve that without using a percentage sign. So that is really, or a remainder, right? Remainder. So that is a really good takeaway. And then also for pre-calculus, my teacher says they might give out like a practice exam, or like a um yeah, just a practice exam like soon, because this is actually like, I think this is their first year, or like AP released AP pre-calculus like recent years, so there isn't, of course there isn't any past exams, but I think you can search out something online. I hope I can do that later. And also for free responses, I think they have a special way to grade it. When they release the model exam, like the model thing, I don't know how to call it, I think they'll include it. So yeah, that's what my teacher told me. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. Well, I've received some good news lately. Oh, lately. I kind of scored like a 96% on my pre-calculus test, so not a big deal to worry. I'll still do it though, and I'll still like be consistent on everything, and I'll try to like get to my perfect state, or like status, or anything like that, to get, hopefully I can get 5s on my APs. So okay, this is just a quick recording, and I'll continue everything tomorrow and see how it goes.